We can see many things around us, both living and non living things. They may directly or indirectly influence our life. We, the human being's life, is very much influenced by our surroundings. They play a vital role in shaping lifestyle, food habits, dressing style, and modification of culture. A very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the first lesson, our environment. In this lesson, we have to discuss about types of environment, significance of environment, and the need to conserve our environment. Firstly, we can understand what is environment. Environment is nothing but the surroundings you live in. Let it be a living surrounding and non-living surrounding. Everything is considered to be a part of environment. In other words, we can say environment is the living or non-living surrounds of a person or an animal or a plant living. Everything we see around us is a part of our environment. Now, we are going to discuss about types of environment. Environment is mainly divided into natural and human-made environment. Natural environment is formed or created naturally, whereas the human-made environment is created by human beings. Natural environment consists of both living and non-living things. The living things constitute animals, plants, birds, etc. And non-living things constitute rock, soil, water, air, etc. In this, the non-living components forms physical environment and living components form biological environment. The major components of physical environment are atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. Biosphere constitutes biological environment. Do you know what is human-made environment? Human-made environment is that which is created when human beings interact with the natural environment. It consists of built-up environment, it consists of built environment and socio-cultural environment. Socio-cultural environment related with humans' relation. It is made up of human thoughts, ideas, concepts, beliefs, education level, etc. Family, community, religion are the major components of socio-cultural environment. Whereas the build-up or built environment constitute houses, roads, dams, bridges, etc. Now, we are going to discuss about natural environment in detail. As I told before, natural environment is mainly divided into physical and biological environment. Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere are the major parts or components of physical environment. Let us discuss the first component in physical environment, atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the earth. Atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the earth. In other words, we can say that atmosphere is a mixture of gases, water vapor, dust particles, etc. The word atmosphere is derived from the Greek word atmos, which means vapor. Actually, what makes the earth to hold the atmosphere around it? It's gravitational pull or gravitational force. The gravitational force or gravitational pull of the earth make the atmosphere to surround it. What is meant by gravitational force of the earth? The force of the earth to pull or attract everything to its center is called gravitational force or gravitational pull of the earth. Now we can discuss how atmosphere is important for living things. Atmosphere is important for living things because it provides a number of elements which is essential for human beings. First of all, it provides life-giving gas oxygen. It acts as a blanket that keeps the earth warm by trapping the heat that radiates from the earth. It protects life from harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. These are the few points regarding the atmosphere. Still, many reasons are there that make atmosphere most important for living things. This is due to the presence of atmosphere. There exists cloud formation or raining, etc. Actually, atmosphere plays a significant role in making the earth climate comfortable. Let us go to the next component of physical environment, that is lithosphere. Lithosphere is a solid part of earth. The word lithosphere is derived from the Greek word lithos, which means stones. How lithosphere is important for human beings? There are many reasons. Land is a part of lithosphere. Land is needed for human beings for many things. Land is needed for construction, agriculture, mining, etc. So, lithosphere is very important. Then one of the major elements in lithosphere is soil. Soil is essential for all the living things. Soil is needed for plants. Soil is needed for human beings, for agriculture, for construction, etc. Then, lithosphere is blessed with a variety of minerals. Minerals are playing a vital role in day-to-day life for human beings. We will get variety of minerals from lithosphere. Minerals are very essential for running industries and producing new products, etc. Now, let us go to the next component of physical environment, that is hydrosphere. Do you know why our earth is called the blue planet? Because 71% of our earth is covered with water. Only 29% is covered with land. This is the reason why earth is called blue planet. Water is present in all three forms on the earth, such as solid, liquid and gas. Actually, hydrosphere consists of all water bodies on the earth like oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds, glaciers, etc. The word Hydrosphere is derived from the Greek word hydro, which means water. Have you ever thought that how the quantity of water is balanced on the earth? This is due to the presence of water cycle. What is water cycle? The change or transformation of water into various forms such as solid, liquid and gas and circulate between the oceans, continents and atmosphere. This is called water cycle. Let us discuss the concept water cycle with the help of a diagram. Children, see this diagram. In this diagram, we can see water in all three forms. We can see water in its liquid form in oceans, lakes, springs, etc. Water is there in the solid form over the mountains and peaks. It is in the glacier form. Then water is there in the gaseous form. That is not visible for us, but also still water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Water vapor is there in the atmosphere. And it is in the solid form. And it is in the form of glacier over the mountains and peaks. It is in the liquid form in the oceans, lakes and streams.